is down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. Thank you all for being here. So today I'm taking you through a few days in my life. We shall be cleaning the fridge and restocking. We shall do some shopping. We shall be stepping out. We shall be cooking and a lot of baking. I hope you get to enjoy this video, and please, if you do subscribe and also consider sharing it widely. So I start here by going out. It's on a Sunday. I want to just go somewhere and relax with my kids. We went to Obachimachoka's ranch. I love that place. Like, I love the place. I love the foods. Everything there is just amazing. Like, everything is organic. They get everything from their farm. So if you want a place to visit, just visit that place. And we also got a lot of things from there apart from taking the good food.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
My way back to the house, I also passed by Andy Omeka's place. Andy Omeka is a content creator. She is a homemaker. She has amazing videos. Please check her out. Her channel name is Andy Omeka. Show her some love and also subscribe to her channel, and don't forget to watch her videos because she has amazing content. So I got a lot of greens. I got saga, I got kunde, I also got some mints and lemongrass, and we divided. So this is the next day. I went to Naivas. I wanted to window shop for some washing machine. I want to upgrade my washing machine, and also did some green grocery shopping.
Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Back in the house, and these are some of the things that I got some eggs. I also got a baking tray because I really wanted a wider tray so that when I'm baking my bread, I need there's a size that I need. I also got some zucchini. Normally I love small zucchini, like the tender, the younger ones. They are more flavorful compared to the more mature one. The more mature ones release a lot of water, so I got 3 packs of those. I got also some sweet strawberries. These strawberries are sweet. There are 2 types of strawberries, but these ones are sweet. I got some lemon. I got some food color. I also got some sugar. This sugar is purposely for cooking. And I also got some jaggery. I love jaggery, but I love it in specific things. Like if I want to make brown bread, I'll use jaggery. I got some baking pepper because I had run out of it. I also got some celery. I got some terere. No, not terere, that is mrenda. Yeah, I got mrenda. Those who don't know mrenda in English, it's jute leaves. I also got some green peas, not green peas, green beans. Yeah, French beans. Those are green beans, and green French beans are different things. So I got the French beans, I got the cucumber, I got the blueberries, more strawberries. I also got that flour for bread, and I also got this oat flour because I also want to be alternating and changing to other options. So I got the oat flour for making the pancakes. I also got some Greek yogurt. There's a natural yogurt to make other things that call for natural yogurt. I got some clear essence. This is fresh turmeric. I love fresh turmeric. I also got some garlic over there. I also got some spring onions because there are dishes that call for spring onions. And lately, I love shopping my avocado from the supermarket. There are those that you get that are ripe, and I love going for them. And if you compare it's a bit cheaper getting them from there. I also got some broccoli, as broccoli is always my favorite vegetable, so I got it. And one of my favorite vegetables as well is amaranth, and I also got the amaranth as well. I also got this for my salad. These are green lentils. I also got some sweet corn. We love sweet corn, honestly. Mostly if I want to fix a salad, I'll go for sweet corn. And this time I went for oyster mushroom. It's been a while since I took oyster mushroom, so I bought the oyster mushrooms from there because they were so fresh. So I also got the chicken breast, and I also got some oil. I got this oil because I had run out of oil, and I really wanted something that I can use until end month. Also got these beans. I love these beans. They are so rich in nutrients, so I got those. I also got these snow peas. These snow peas are so good when you saute them. They are so nice. These biscuits over here, I just bought them just to include as snacks for the kids when they're carrying to school. So these are some of the things that I got. At this point, I want to organize everything, but I'll be cleaning the fridge and also organizing there. In the freezer, I still have some food, so I'll not be touching the freezer.
Backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
There are foods that have been kept in the freezer that are not supposed to be in the freezer, so I'll remove them and reorganize that place to create more space for other foods. To be honest, I was so tired from the cleaning, so I decided to serve the kids a bowl of fruits, and also I had the same. We also made some salad for dinner. This salad had chicken, sweet corn, mushrooms, lentils, and some avocado, and it was so delicious. So I figured out, instead of me making the cake tomorrow so that my kids can carry as a snack, I just decided to make it this night so that tomorrow I'll just have to pack it while it's cooled down. So I have like 5 teaspoonfuls of oil, and I have some butter here. I also have some 2 eggs. I have some 3 cups of self-rising flour, and this is a mixture of powdered sugar plus the granular sugar. And I also have some half cup of milk, but I don't think I'm going to use all of it. I might use or I might not use, so we'll see. Then I have some vanilla essence. So to begin with, I will add the eggs in my bowl, add the sugar, add the oil. Then I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm using this handmade. For the butter, I'm not adding it because this is how it is. I'm going to add this butter into, no, I will add some little bit of milk in the butter, and then I'm going to melt it in the microwave for 10 seconds. So I want it extremely hot while it has melted with the butter, and then now we'll continue mixing. And then I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes on low heat. In the meantime, I'm going to have some, these are hibiscus tea. Yeah. The cake is nicely baked, and I love the turnout despite that crack. You see that? So it looks so nice, though it's still hot. I'm going to let it rest here until tomorrow morning, when I'll be able to cut it so that the kids can actually carry it to school. I love it. So this other one, I was actually removing this parchment paper, is the banana bread. Let me say it's banana bread, banana cake. Yeah, so I made this using jaggery, the brown sugar, and eggs, and some natural yogurt. I really wanted it to be a version of healthy cake. So this is the banana one. You can see this, you can see the jaggery. It's actually very hot. So you can see the jaggery, there is the brown sugar, because they were in big lumps, or is it a bit rocky. So I'm also going to let it sit overnight until tomorrow, then I can be able to cut into it. So this is the next day in the morning. I want to start by making breakfast. I want to make tea. I'm going to fix cocoa tea, and with my tea I only add water, milk, and cocoa. I will be using also some little bit of cinnamon, little bit of cardamom, some rosemary, some lemongrass, and also after the tea is actually boiled and nicely cooked, I'm going to add in the mint leaves, because I don't like adding the mint leaves while before it boils, because you'll get rid of the good flavors that the mint brings, and also you'll give different flavors. So that is why I add the mint at the end of everything. So this is how I do add it, and I add just a little bit. I don't go extreme with spicing up my tea. This kind of tea is so good, and I don't use sugar in it. See that? See how that beautiful the cake looks like. Let's see this one of them. Nice. I like it. So I'll go ahead and pack in the kids' containers. The rest of the cakes, I'll keep them in the fridge so that they can be useful tomorrow. These are bananas, and this is the jaggery. So some they'll take with tea, some I'll keep away until tomorrow.
So what it's gonna be? Baby squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get low.
As for me, I'm going to zip on water for like 2 hours until 9. That is when I can take my breakfast. So I want to make bread because honestly I love bread, and this time I want to make the brown one at home. So I'll still go for this eggs. This eggs is meant for bread, so it's fortified. I have some milk powder. I also have some yeast, but I'll give you the exact measurements that I'm going to use. Then some brown sugar, if you can call it jaggery, yeah. Then we also have some oil. Yeah, I'll also be using salt. So let me save this because I don't like the amount of fiber that is inside this flour. I think sometimes they exaggerate just because of nutritional benefit. They really exaggerate. They put even the kernels inside there. I don't like it. So I'll sieve it just to remove, like, just see this one. Honestly, do you know you can get stomach irritations from this? it's so big, and the chunks are too big for me, so I'll sieve it. This, some of the fibers are just meant for chicken, surely not human beings. See all that. I know we need this for nutritional benefits, but some are too much to consume. As long as at the end of the day we need a whole wheat bread, that is what matters. Yeah, so those are the results after sieving. I have some warm water that I want to use. I'm using 7 tablespoons of milk powder. I'm using 1.5 tablespoonful of instant yeast. I'm going to mix quarter cup of jaggery into my water, into the warm water. Give it a good mix so that we don't get to put the traces of dirt that comes with the jaggery. And then we are going to put in some pinch of salt. I'm using the back of this spoon. Give it a good mix. Add in the jaggery and then give it a good mix. This mixture of flour is going to be so sticky that you cannot handle it, so I'll not need it. I'll just give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Cover it, put the microwave switch on, then let it sit there for like 45 minutes until it proofs. After that, I'll shape it, then put it in the tray. I'll return it in the microwave after putting it in the tray. Let it proof a little bit more. Then after that, remove it, apply some oil, then drizzle my favorite seeds, which are pumpkin seeds and chia seeds and also sesame seeds. And then after that, we'll be baking on low heat for 20 minutes. I've always wanted an easy way of making my bread, and I find this very, very easy for me. I don't have to struggle making my bread. So after it has proofed, I'm going to apply some oil on it. Then I'm going to drizzle some seeds so that I can bake it in the oven. This bread is 100% healthy. I don't know what you can say about it, but I feel like it's 100% healthy. If we were not to use sugar, we could have still not used sugar, but jaggery is also an option. So I'll be baking this, let it cool down, then I'll just cut into it, have some pieces for breakfast. Whenever I'm sharing this recipe, it is my hope that they get to help you cut some cost and also get fresh things from your kitchen. Like, this is so healthy if you get to bake it yourself. It has a lot of seeds. Getting seeded bread from the supermarket, it's so expensive. I've tried that before and I know it's so costly. So I decide to make it from my kitchen, and as you can see, it came out so perfect, and it doesn't need a lot of work. It doesn't need a lot of kneading. You just have to just mix mix the right ingredients and the right measurements. This is later in the day and I've decided to make some cow legs. I had to make everything from scratch, but I did not show you. So I want to make some bone broth out of them. I'm using the charcoal that I got from Andy Omeka to actually slow cook this for 5 hours. I came across this Instagram page that sells Moya Pishori rice and I decided let me try out, and I decided to order 5 kgs and I'm not regretting even 1 inch. I have always said that I'm going to stick to the other brand of rice, but no, I'll still go for other brands if they are flavorful, and this rice is so aromatic, it's so good. But I think I'll keep the other brand for just pilaus and biryani. For this I'll be making for stews and curries. So I got 5 kg and it's so aromatic. My broth is almost done, so I'm going to add in some celery leaves, some fresh turmeric, some fresh garlic, and also some onions. These are the ingredients that I need for dinner. I want to make some green grams curry, and also having some turmeric, curry powder, and fenugreek powder. Those are the ingredients that I need to actually make my green gram curry. And I'll be infusing the oil as always, but the only ingredients that I need for this curry is just fenugreek, curry powder, and turmeric powder. That is it. As for the broccoli, I did infuse the oil with some salt and also some curry powder. Then I added in the broccoli and the tender zucchini. So I'll saute them for 5 minutes and then I'll be serving that along with the curry and also the rice that I had purchased. With that rice, I soaked it for like 10 minutes, washed it like 3 times, and then I cooked it. I will be garnishing the curry with some spring onion leaves. Hey guys, I thought my snacks could run me longer, but no, I lied to myself. So I want to make another lemon cake. Not another. So I have the lemon zest that I've actually grated from this lemon over here. So I have butter that I've melted with the milk. I have some berries. I also have some eggs. I have sugar, and I also have the lemon juice, but I think I'm going to make this and this separately. Let's see. So I'll mix the sugar with the zest. So this is 1 cup of sugar, and guys, let me tell you about this soup. Remember the cow legs that I did boil yesterday? This soup is so rich. So I've dropped in the leaves of spring onions as well as some kapilipili. Yeah, I want to drink it this morning. I'm still baking my cakes. This is on the waiting. So this is the soup, and then we have this one. Yeah, I will refrigerate it. Also have this. Get to try this soup, you will just love it. Honestly, you will love it. The best broth I've ever had. Like I had to boil this for like 7 hours. This was the first one. I have the second one in my pot this morning. So the lemon cake is also done baking, and I love it. Like, I love it. I can't wait to cut into it. And the aromas in this kitchen is just... So the blueberry is also done. I want to cut into it. In the meantime, this is our lemon one. I've already cut into it. This part here that had the lemon is a little bit soggy, but it's okay because it had the lemon, and you know the lemons have the liquid. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye guys.